Hi friends, welcome back to Easy Couponing where we make it easy for you to coupon. Guess what? Guess where I went this morning? I'm back. Thank you all for watching the last video that I showed you how to do this awesome deal on the batteries to get in on those rewards. I was able to use my rewards to get some Dawn dish. I always confuse it. Dish soap. Dawn dish soap. I always want to say detergent. Dawn dish soap, and I'll show you which ones I got, the ounces, etc. So you're able to get in on this deal. Make sure you leave those thumbs up, subscribe, and leave me a like, so I could continue to help to bring you these videos, and YouTube could continue sharing my channel. I greatly appreciate that. Make sure you guys are also clicking through the link on Rakuten for Rakuten. I know a lot of people were telling me in our group on Facebook that they're able to sign up for Rakuten without using my link. That's fine. But if you do so, you're only going to be getting $10 bonus for signing up. When you sign up through my link, and like I told you yesterday for Rakuten, I'm going to show you really quick, just real quick, because I don't want you guys to miss out on money. The Rakuten $50 bonus is for a limited time only. Here it is, $50 through my link. I leave you the link down in the description box and in the first comment in order for you to get in on this. If you sign up on your own for Rakuten, they're only going to give you $10. I have a $50 link because I have the affiliate link through influencer. I'm an influencer program. So make sure you sign up through that link. $50 bonus is available for a limited time. And I know a lot of you were telling me in the group that you don't shop at Office Depot. That's fine. You don't need to shop at Office Depot to use Rakuten. You can use Walgreens, Target, CVS, Office Depot, Paramount Plus, HP, ABT, Verizon, Samsung, Xfinity Mobile, Xfinity, Sam's Club, Temu, Macy's, Nike, Old Navy, and many other stores that you could choose from. So don't forget to sign up for Rakuten through my link and get in on that $50 bonus on your $50 purchase at any of those stores available through Rakuten. All right, so what did I get today at Office Depot, Office Max? Let me go ahead and show you. For those of you that already signed up for Rakuten, make sure you log into Rakuten and go search for Office Depot, Office Max. We're going to go shop now. We're going to get 2% cash back. As you can see there, boom. It's taking us over there, 2% cash back on this purchase. What I got here was Dawn dish liquid or liquid detergent. Oh, it is called liquid detergent. I was right. Dawn liquid detergent. Here it is. Dawn liquid, Dawn ultra dishwashing liquid detergent. Oh, say that 5 times really quick. Here it is. $8.99. These are the big bottles. They're the 70-ounce bottles, the blue bottle. They're $8.99 online. Make sure that you buy it online for store pickup, for shipping, whatever you choose. You could do online order for store pickup, and it'll be available within 30 minutes. I ordered mine this morning. I was able to get my rewards, like I told you yesterday for the battery deal. It takes 24 hours to get the rewards into your Office Depot, Office Max rewards account. Rewards account. 24 hours, and that is today in the morning when I saw that. You already know that I got in on this deal. I was like, I'm going to go and order it. So my friends all get in on their deal and get their products for free. So as soon as I saw the rewards, I ordered online. I placed my order for 6 of these Dawn dishwashing liquids. You could buy whatever you want. Let me show you what else you could get. I know a lot of people were telling me, I don't need dishwashing liquid. Okay, you don't need dishwashing liquid, but you need Tide. You need laundry products, you need paper towels, you need toilet paper, you need paper toilet. You need all of these products. Make sure you're saving on your household items. With the rewards, use that money for something else. Don't spend your money if you don't need to. Use the rewards that you got from the batteries. As you can see here, there's a lot of different things you could order at Office Depot, Office Max. You could order that, or you could order electronics. There's a lot of things that you could get. Here, look. They have paper, they have office supplies, they have snacks. They even have snacks too. I forgot to mention that. Order whatever you want, whatever you need for you and your household. They have all kinds of supplies that you might need for your household. They have it, okay? And like I said, excuse me. I think I'm getting a cold. I'm not sure. I hope not. I hope I'm not getting a cold because I don't need to be sick. But it was because I got out yesterday in that cold weather to bring you the deal. All right, so make sure you leave me those thumbs up. I greatly appreciate everybody that left their thumbs up yesterday. It really helped us boost the video. We didn't get as many views because that's my fault. I haven't been posting for maybe 7 months. But I'm back. Please, 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 I greatly appreciate it if you leave those thumbs up, subscribe, and share my video so we could help YouTube know that this video is good and they could share it with more people. So that way we grow our channel, we grow our little couponing community here. Easy couponing, where we make it easy for you to coupon and save your money. So here's what I got. Let me go ahead and show you. I was able to pick up 6 of these, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, with the rewards that I got from the batteries yesterday. Remember, like I always tell you, we want to save our money as much as possible. We invested in the batteries. We got our $50 bonus signing up to Rakuten through my link. Don't sign up on your own because you're only going to get $10. Sign up through my link. Like I've always told you, it's in the description box and in the first comment. Excuse me. Oh my God, excuse me. And that $50 bonus is limited time only. So make sure you click through and sign up today. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For me, for my household, these last me about a month. Or a little bit over a month, maybe a month. Let me show you what the ounces are here. This is the 70 ounce bottle. Here you go, 70 ounces. And if you want to pick them up in store, you could, but it might be different. The price might be different, but they do price match. So if you want to do price match in store, the online price is $8.99. Okay. If you order online, like I said, I ordered mine online and within 30 minutes they had them ready. That's why I ran and I got them. You're able to get in on this deal. This price online for $8.99 is available through December 27th. So you still have a lot of time to do the deal. If you haven't bought the batteries and got your rewards yet, get in on that battery deal. I'll leave you the link for that video down below, or you can check it out in the video section of this channel. It's the last video before this. Go and check it out, so you can know how to do the battery deal and get in on the rewards, okay? So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months worth here of Dawn liquid detergent that I'm not going to have to purchase for the next 6 months. So I'll be saving that money and using it for something else, like food, utilities, bills, whatever you need that money for. Now you don't have to spend on laundry or liquid detergent. You could use that money for something else. I know it's not a lot, but $50, $60 that you save here or there, that's saving your money. So make sure you leave those thumbs up if you like saving money, and subscribe if you like saving money, because I try to bring you the deals, simple deals, easy deals anybody could do. I'm not going to make you jump through hoops, do backflips, do somersaults, do triple luds, and all of that other stuff. I'm going to make it as easy as possible for you to get in on these deals so you can save your money for you and your family, because I think about you all as my virtual family, and I greatly, greatly appreciate all of the love and support that you leave me and all those thumbs up and your comments down below. Those comments help a lot. Those comments, if you leave me just a comment down below saying hi, that helps out a lot to grow this channel, to grow this beautiful community, and those thumbs up as well. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. Okay, so let me show you my receipt really quick, and then we'll head out. All right. Okay, so here it is. Here's my receipt. I took a screenshot of it because obviously there's a lot of personal or private information that I'm not going to be sharing here. But here it is. Let me zoom in or clear this up a little bit. Come on, camera. It's trying to focus on something else. Okay, so here it is. Dawn Dish Liquid. I bought 6 of them for $8.99. As you can see here, the total was $53.94. The tax was $5.53. My grand total was $59.47, but I used my rewards from yesterday from the battery deal. I did not pay anything out of pocket. I was able to pick up my order completely free using my rewards that I got yesterday. Completely free. So make sure you get in on this deal. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and get in on these free Dawn dish liquid detergent that anyone can do. Just go watch the previous video if you haven't done so. And I'll probably leave it linked somewhere up here, so make sure you look for it. And you'll be seeing the Rakuten link somewhere in here in the middle. Make sure you click that link in order for you to get in on that $50 bonus. Even if you don't shop at Office Depot, Office Max, shop at any of those other stores within Rakuten, and you'll be able to get in on that $50 bonus for, I believe that's only for this month. So don't quote me on it. It could disappear anytime. So sign up for that $50 bonus ASAP and shop your $50 or $51 at any of those stores in one transaction in order for you to get your $50 bonus cash back from Rakuten. Thank you for so much love. Thank you for leaving those thumbs up, leaving me a comment down below, subscribing and sharing. Remember, sharing is caring. And I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys that shares my videos with your friends and family so you can help them save their money. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.